Hey guys, welcome to day 31. This is yesterday's dried result. I absolutely love it so much. I love these drippies right here. Oh my gosh, they're everything. And I just love the motion of this picture. It looks so cool. Okay, so today what we are going to do is a traveling soulmate twist. So yesterday we just kind of did the soulmate twist tree ring style. Today we're gonna actually travel it, because when Olga first came out with this, she traveled it across the page, or not the page, her canvas, and it was so cool what she came up with. And then she did it in fluorescent too, so she did it under the black light. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm going to link her video below. So for the base, I'm gonna do gold and silver. And then I'm gonna stick with my rainbows. So we're gonna do red, primary red on this side, phthalo blue on this side, and do blue on this side. Yellow on this side. Yeah, and then yellow on this side. And red on this side. I might need more yellow on this side. And then we're gonna do the opposite sides of the base. So I know if you can't see, I did silver on this side, so I'm gonna do silver up here. And then gold over here. And as you guys know, with the soulmate twist, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one side and pour it over the other. So I'm gonna take the silver side and pour it over the gold side, since yesterday I did the gold over the silver. Alright, I love this, look at that. I love how you can totally see like the split in between the colors in these. It's so cool, like this line right here is everything to me. That looks so cool. Okay, I'm going to spin this. We'll see how it goes. Alright, I actually really like the motion of this, so I'm just gonna get some paint to fill in right there and then spin it to blend a little bit. I'm done messing with it. I love it just like this. I think it's trippy. I think it's cool. I love it so much. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I absolutely love this. I think it's so amazing. I love all the colors that are just kind of like bursting through themselves. That's so cool. I love this big old line in the middle and then like kind of the explosion that's coming from it. There's so many things that you can do with this soulmate technique. I'm telling you guys, the possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.